Greetings to everyone. This is the second experiment in the technology lab. Put media links like video links and create forms and lists. As you can see, we have an audio link here, we have a video link here, and we have a submit button, so kind of a submit option here, and we have a search option here, and we have other links. So this is the basic web page that we're supposed to create. Let us get into the coding. This basic HTML page. This is our website title, and then we have a center alignment of the heading, heads up. Next we create a table with this particular characters, and then we have a first link with href tag, W3 Schools, then Google, Yahoo, and we have a search box using this particular code. This particular code, the form code is used here because it is of form type. In the next table we have the size allotted of this particular size, and we have this whole box that is there is adjusted in that particular thing. Next we have an audio taking tag where audio controls. This is our audio file, and this is where we mention the type. Next we have specifications of video width. This is the video window where width is 700 and height is 300, and this is our video link, and this is where we mention the type. So this is our basic table until here. So this is our whole table that has been discussed as of now. This is another table, the previous table. This is our heading. We have the next table coming up, which is height width 100% and height 300. Our background color here is blue, light blue, as you can see, and this is supposed to be our address lines here, and we have a mail link, a phone link. Here what is happening is this is our submit form. As you can see here, we have a submit we have a submit option here. So when I type a particular username and password, I'm supposed to it is supposed to get redirected to another page. And we have another map here that is this location. Now let us get into this particular part, which leads us to another link. Now for instance, if I type Dan and a particular password, this would redirect to this page because we have given the link here, form action equals, and this particular page's code is here. As you can see, we have declared all the meta tags, and here we have submit your resume. Each and every field is a form field where each and everything has an input type, text, and placeholder. So input type, there are different types like data type, local, number, and text. And here for the date of birth, what we do is we give the user an option to choose from a calendar, and this is a default date. We also give an option to select from these particular numbers, that is 18 to 30. In the same way, first name, middle name, and last name. This is our text box. This is supposed to be of type text. Gender is again, we get to select options. We have three options here: male, female, and other. Each of this is type radio. Next we have a meter tag design here, where minimum is 0 and maximum is 100, where value is 20, because up to here a 20% of the resume is filled completely. Next part is the address details. Address, this is the size, as you can see. This is the city, town. This is of type text. State is again of type text. The input list equals states, and this data list ID equals states. So what we are doing is we are basically declaring an option. We are giving options for states in this particular thing, where we have options like Kerala, Karnataka, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, etc. And next we have zip code, which is a type number, and only 5 characters can be inputted. And here we have 0 to 100 meter, where 40% is filled up to this particular point. Next we have the legend tag. So as you can see here, we have declared the legend tag, which is within we have contact information. For the telephone here, we have input type number, and this here, as you can see, this particular part is in the web page. As you can see, it is like a background here. And then you can enter some numbers here, as you can see again. So in the same way, all these are in transparent text, we can say, and up to here 60% is completed. That is what we indicated meter. Next we have educational details, where all the education details are filled. Input type equals checkbox 10th. So whether if we completed 10th, we check this. So that is the 12 BTech MTech. That is how it goes. So for 10th we have other options like board, university, and date, time, from which date to which date, and we have a number which from minimum is 40 and maximum is 100. Next we have university. I'm sorry, this is for 12th. This is for 12th part. We have the same parameters again, and next one would be BTech and MTech with the same parameters, and up to here we have 80% of our document resume completed. And next we have attach a resume in file equals image. So here what we can do is we can literally, and at the end we can submit. We can submit using the submit input type equals submit. So we can choose a file here. As you can see, all the tags here. We can enter text. For all these are text, and here as you can see we have a calendar which you can select randomly, and I selected the date. This as you can see, this value isn't going below 18, and you can select from these particular options. These are the radio buttons. Here we can type address, state, as you can see here we have some options, and zip code as you can see like this. Telephone you can type again, these are all numbers, and then you can check box here whatever you completed. Checkbox can be as number as you want, but radio buttons you can select only one option, and then you get to choose a file from here, and text you submit your resume. So this is the whole experiment, and thank you for watching.